John Siegel with Body Glove, talking about the Phantom line of PFDs. The first thing you want to talk about when you're talking about the Phantom line of PFDs is that it's made with Yamamoto neoprene. Yamamoto neoprene you'll see indicated with this gold seal saying Yamamoto neoprene. What does Yamamoto neoprene mean? It is the highest grade Japanese neoprene that you will find available. What does that mean for you, the consumer? It means you'll have a nice, great, soft feel against your skin. The other thing to note on the Phantom line of vest is how thin the vest is when you take a look from the profile. The thinness, what that helps you do is it helps movement. That's the most important thing, to be able to move freely and still have that Coast Guard approved PFD. And you'll notice that throughout the line of the Phantom vest. The next thing you'll notice is the segmentation. Now this is the women's version, and you can see it's segmented so that it's going to allow for a nice fit. You can see how you can fit, a person will fit exactly into that mold. It'll have a nice fit and feel around your body. When you're talking about the features specifically to the Phantom, you're first going to talk about the spandex side. You're going to fit a person by chest size. So the spandex side is going to allow to fit more people who maybe have different shapes around the midsection area. The other thing to note is this rubber pull tab. So the rubber pull tab is great in case your hands are wet. It allows you to easily take on and take off your vest. When you look on the inside of the vest, you're going to actually have a lot of features here. The first thing is the Aerofoam. Aerofoam, if you feel against the back of the vest, is like an egg crate. What that does is it creates less points of contact on your back. So while it's a hot day outside, you're going to be able to have the air flow through your back and keep you cool throughout the day. The other thing to talk about here is the glide lock. This glide lock is going to prevent the vest from riding up on you. And then lastly, you're going to see this lumbar support. The lumbar support is just going to keep your give you some comfort in your lower back. We're going to move on to the women's version. This is the women's version here. Has all the same great features. The one major difference is it's anatomically cut for a woman. Well, what does that mean? It's going to have a little bit more room in the chest area. It's going to be cut a little shorter and have a little bit more room in the hips. But it's going to have all the same great features that I talked about in the men's version. As I mentioned, the Phantom is a full family of products. So it also comes in a youth, child, and infant. The youth, child, and infant are fit by weight. So the youth is going to be anyone that weighs from 50 to 90 pounds. The child is going to be anybody weighed from 30 to 50 pounds. And the infant is going to be anybody under the weight of 30 pounds. It's going to have your same great features in the youth, which is that Aerofoam, and still going to have all that segmentation, so it's going to allow for some great movement and your spandex side. The child will also come with those features, again the Aerofoam, the spandex side, and one great addition to that, this piece, is the leg strap is going to come with a comfort strap. The comfort strap is a neoprene wrap that's going to prevent any rubbing against your child's leg and keep them comfortable while being on the water. And then the last vest in the family line is the infant. The infant will also come with a comfort strap and is a great vest for that child that's under 30 pounds.